Welcome to the class, my dear students. In this lecture, we will be going to start with the Nernst equation of chapter 3rd, electrochemistry. So, Nernst equation is an equation which is used to calculate electrode potential in non-standard conditions. Which means, if your conditions are other than that is temperature is not 298 Kelvin, concentration is not 1 molar and pressure is not 1 atmosphere. In standard conditions, we can calculate the E naught of cell by taking reduction potential of cathode minus reduction potential of anode. But in non-standard conditions, we have to use Nernst equation for calculation of E naught, calculation of E cell. What is that equation? E of cell is equals to E naught of cell minus RT NF Ln metal concentration over ions concentration. Suppose I am converting this metal into this. So Nernst equation for the same as this. E of cell at any temperature pressure is equals to E naught of cell minus RT NF Ln concentration of metal in pure state over ions concentration. Now what is this R? R is your gas constant, N is your number of electrons lost, gained, and F is your Faraday's constant, and T is your temperature. This is the general Nernst equation for a particular atom in non-standard conditions. Now, if I will take example of electrochemical cell, that is zinc copper couple, and I will ask, write equation, Nernst equation for electrochemical cell. I am taking the example of Daniell cell. In Daniell cell, at cathode, copper plus 2 is converted into copper. That is, reduction takes place. And at anode, oxidation takes place. That is, zinc is converted into Zn plus 2 ions. Okay? This is the reaction taking place at cathode and anode. Now if I will ask, write Nernst equation for the same. So how you will write E of cell, that is for copper plus 2 to copper is equals to E naught of cell minus RT NF into Ln 1 over this concentration. Why I have taken 1 here? Because concentration of any particular atom, any element taken in pure state, that is here we are taking copper in solid state, it is present in its pure state, its concentration is considered to be unity. Fine. So this is a Nernst equation for Daniell cell occurring at cathode. Similarly at anode, what's going on? It is equals to E naught of cell minus RT NF Ln 1 over concentration of zinc. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. This reaction is occurring at anode and this reaction is occurring at cathode. Now what's the cell potential for the same? How you will write? It is reduction potential of cathode minus anode. So when we subtract this and solve it, you will ultimately get what? E of cell is equals to E naught of cell minus RT NF Ln oxidation over reduction. This is the Nernst equation for Daniell cell. My dear students, we used to forget either it is oxidation over reduction or reduction over oxidation. So remember the word or. Or means O is your oxidation and R is your reduction. Okay? So or, which means oxidation over reduction. This is your general Nernst equation for Daniell cell. Now, in most of the cases, the temperature is 298 Kelvin. Mostly we are taking temperature at 298 Kelvin. So, this equation can be simplified by putting all the values. Likewise, if I am putting the value temperature at 298 Kelvin, for the same suppose, E of cell for Daniell cell is E naught of cell minus R is 8.314, temperature is 298, and in particular Daniell cell 2 electrons transfer takes place into value of Faraday's constant, that is 96500 into, I am converting ln into log base 10, so it should be multiplied by 2.303 into log concentration of Zn plus 2 over copper plus 2 concentration. When I simplify all these, it comes out to be 0.059 over n log Zn plus 2 over copper plus 2. This is the general expression for Daniell cell for calculation of E cell in non-standard conditions. Okay? I hope is it clear to you all? Now, see one question based on the same. MG question is, it is NCERT question. In solid state, this is the reaction given to us. This is the reaction given to you. It is question first index question of page number 71 of your NCERT. So this question, this expression is given to us. E naught of this cell is in standard condition is 3.17 volt. You have to calculate E cell. Just see this question and try to solve which formula can be used. See, first see where oxidation going on. Here Mg is converted into Mg plus 2, which means increase in oxidation number. So here increase in oxidation number means oxidation is occurring at magnesium and silver plus iron is converted into silver. So decrease in oxidation number is reduction. So what is E of cell? E of cell for the same is E naught of cell minus, see the number of electrons change, it is 2, 0.059 over 2 into log concentration, oxidation over reduction, 0.130 over what? 0.0001 molar. Solve it and write the answer. Okay? It will approximately comes out to be 2.96 volt. This is the way we can calculate the E of cell with the help of Nernst equation. Now, again, second topic related to the Nernst equation is that relationship between equilibrium constant and equilibrium constant from Nernst equation. Next is equilibrium constant from Nernst equation. Again, I am taking the example of Daniell cell because in your NCERT this example is given. In Daniell cell, what's going on? This is the cell reaction. Zinc is undergoing oxidation and copper is undergoing reduction. So dear students, with the passage of time, the concentration of Zn+2 increases and concentration of copper +2 decreases. So voltmeter also gives the voltage whose reading also decreases with the passage of time. So is there at any time if the concentration of copper +2 becomes equals to the concentration of Zn+2, here voltmeter shows 0 reading, and we can say that the reaction reached at equilibrium. Reaction reaches at equilibrium. So here the E of cell becomes 0 because reaction is at equilibrium. So E cell becomes 0. So how you will write Nernst equation for the same? E cell is equals to E naught of cell minus 0.059 over 2 log concentration of Zn+2 over concentration of copper +2. My dear students, this concentration also represents equilibrium constant. So I can write Kc here, and this is 0 because reaction is at equilibrium. So the E naught of cell is equals to 0.059. Remember, in this temperature is at 298 Kelvin over 2 log Kc, or I will write N. Or if temperature is not 298 Kelvin, then it will be how much? It is like this: RT NF LL Kc. This is the relationship between, this is we calculate equilibrium constant from Nernst equation. E naught of cell is equal to RT NF LL Kc. Fine. Now Question page number 72, question number 3.2 of NCERT, in-text question. Page 72, 3.1 of NCERT. Sorry, 3.2. The question is, calculate the equilibrium constant for the reaction. The reaction is copper plus 2Ag converted into copper plus 2 plus silver. You have to calculate Kc for the reaction, and E naught of this cell is, E naught for the same cell is 0.46 mole. How you will calculate? I just told you the formula for the same. E naught of cell is solution for the same is E naught of cell is RT and F, and temperature here is 298 Kelvin. Ln Kc. I can write, put 8.314 and converting into log base 10, 2.303, 96500 into 2, and E naught of cell is into 0.464 is equals to Ln. Sorry, it will be reversed. Yes, it is E naught of cell, that is Ln Kc will be, E naught of cell is 0.46 into 2 into 96500 over 8.314 into what? 298. Solve this. Okay? I hope is it clear to you? Now, last is electrochemical cell and Gibbs free energy. Small topic it is. Electrochemical cell and Gibbs free energy. Dear students, electrical work done in 1 second is equals to the electrical potential multiplied by the total charge passed. Now, if we want to obtain maximum work from radial cell, from galvanic cell, then charge has to be passed reversibly. So, that reversible work done by a galvanic cell is equals to decrease in Gibbs free energy. So minus delta G, because Gibbs free energy is represented by G, and if E is the EMF of the cell and NF is the amount of charge passed, so it is related to this term is NFE of cell. This is the relation. Change in Gibbs free energy is equals to minus NFE cell. And when we are taking the reaction in standard conditions, then it should be delta G naught must be equal to minus NF E naught of cell. Okay, this is the relation between Gibbs free energy and E of cell. So my dear student, in this lecture we have discussed about the Nernst equation Nernst equation is the equation which is used to calculate the E of cell in non-standard conditions. This cell can calculate EMF of oxidation half cell alone, reduction half cell alone, and can calculate the E of cell in couple also, like we have calculated the E cell for Daniell cell. Okay, after that we have discussed the relationship how we will calculate equilibrium constant from Nernst equation, and then last topic is electrochemical cell and Gibbs free energy. Okay my dear students, see you in the next class.